Hello, good day. It is the presentation in English level 2. My name is Lisette Andrea Gaitan. I am 23 years old. I am employed in Colombia. I am single. I live in Barbosa, Santander. I am the youngest daughter. I have 3 older brothers. I am very happy. I like to travel. My daily routine is to work and study. Okay. Talk about my trip experience in San Andres. Well, my last vacation were amazing. My family and I traveled to the beach San Andres, and we had a cool place. I meet new people and friends. I swam with my father and mom. We ate a lot of fish and seafood. The seafood is actually delicious, but something that I does is water was coconut. It was tasty. My father said that it is amazing and delicious, but I don't like the like. I enjoy the time and the moments that I spent in that awesome beach. I hope that on I will the beach there. Apart from that, when I arrived home, I went on some days a week with my friends and my family. Additional to I visit some place in my city and the mount. Actually, I do a lot of fun in this vacation. Okay. 2. The water in San Andres. The climate of San Andres is hot. It is sunny and breezy. You have to wear loose clothing, shorts and shorts. You chose also with several bikinis is because the beach are many and beautiful. Better to wear and sunscreens and sunscreen do you no board. You should also wear sun hats, gloves, pajamas, and you better want to have fun. Okay. Recommendation for you to San Andres. To plan a trip to the islas of San Andres, you should book more than 3 months in advance if you want to get money discount. You should buy them with the Cameroon hotels, so you can enjoy the food and the Cameroon hotels. You should take little longer for wait issues at the airport. You better take a good camera so you can get the best sunset place you can find there. Finally, you better eye good lotion because there is a free zone. Everything is free of tax and very economical. Thank you very much. Bye bye.